Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Tecno Spark Go 2022. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside find the Firefox. Right here click install. When it's ready you should be able to open it, and right here we can begin the setup. So choose your favorite theme, pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on Start Browsing, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.